Next step, you have to install a code editor. A code editor is used to write our code and execute it. The most popular code editor for Python is PyCharm. You can get it from jetbrains.com/PyCharm. So just type jetbrains.com/PyCharm. So on this page, click on Downloads. In the download folder, you will have this package. Let's double-click it. In the installation wizard, simply click on the Next button again next until you install a PyCharm. Select PyCharm, then click on Next. As it finishes the installation, click on the Finish button. Now, let's open it. Now we are ready to create a new project. Click on the Create New Project. Over here we can specify the location, name of our Python project. So let's append the Hello World to this path. Our Python project is going to be saved, so click on Create. In this window, you can see the content of our project. This is our Hello World project. Now it's ready to write our first code. For the first ever code, wait until next video is released.